Have you ever wondered how a day in the life of a crypto trader will be like? Let's find out. Every candles you see here is someone winning or losing thousands. Welcome to the world, the life of a crypto trader. In the next 5 minutes, I could make about $1,000 or lose it all. This isn't luck. It's strategy, psychology, and a little bit of madness.
Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Wait.
Most people clearly think crypto trading is Lambos and beaches view. Truth is, it's caffeine, charts, and calculated chaos. Let me show you what a real day trading looks like.
Show me.
And by the end of this video, the question still is, can you really make a living just trading crypto every day? Well, we're going to find out. At least, if not for me, we're going to find out how it will work for you. From my first chart of the morning to my last trade of the night. Since every trader needs a strategy, how do you as a newbie get a strategy? Now, it actually takes a lot of time, a lot of backtesting to get that strategy that clearly works for you. But why try to do that? You need money to pay bills. You need money to take care of your family. Don't worry. Sit back while I show you a site where you can directly copy professional traders, and in less than no time, you'll be able to be posted P&L. Before we proceed, I just want to give you an eye-opener right here. Look at someone P&L in October alone. This person has made over $210,000. Look at what they make every single day. You can literally see that they make over 30K some days, 50K some days. Now, look at September P&L, the same person. Look at August, it's over 600K. Look at July, over 600K. June, over 300K. May, over 522,000. And it goes on and on. So this site I'm introducing to you guys here is called CoScan. Now I'm going to drop the link in the description. I'm going to drop the link in the description for you to go check it out. Now here, so this site allows you to copy trader directly to see their positions, see what they bought, what they are holding, how much profit they are in, and all of that. So you can literally copy the best trader. Okay, you can literally copy the best trader. You don't literally need to wait for them to post it on their X before. You can see how much profit they've made for each position, each day, each week. And the top trader, you can see this person just outrank Copsy. There's a guy called Copsy, or a person called Copsy, that was actually the most profitable right here. So this person just outranked Copsy, sent it. So now you will see every single one of their position, and you can copy them directly even before they post them. Now there are different persons right here ranked on this leaderboard. Now you could see the number of coins that they bought, and the daily. So their daily rank is different from the weekly rank and different from the monthly rank. The monthly rank is who has been more profitable for the month. Daily rank who has been more profitable for the day. Weekly rank who has been more profitable for the week. So Copsy and this Centered remain number one when in the monthly rank. They remain at the top. So you can see Centered number one, Copsy number two. Copsy was number one before. So right now, but they are still profitable. Now you can see how much profit they've been pulling in. That's crazy for the past 1 month. Crazy profit right there. Now when you click on the profile, you will see details of their holding, what they are holding, how much Solana they hold, their win rate. Like this Centered now, his win rate is about 48.8%, which is not even up to average. However, it's what makes them even profitable is that the trades that they win, they leave it running into more profit, so they take more profit than loss. Okay, now you can see the average duration that they hold is about 41 minutes right there. The top win is about 97.1 SOL, That's the top win. Their volume is about $5.8 million volume trade. Realized profits about $329,000. Unrealized profits about $534 for their holdings. Okay, current holding. So you will see a whole lot of this. And now if you look down, you will see the token that they are currently holding and the PNL of that particular token. You can see Greedy Coin right there. This person is on about, this sentence is on about $4.8 loss, and you can see gold is on about $84 profit, right? So now you're going to see all of these positions, and these are trades that you can copy directly. You can buy these coins directly, especially the ones that are in loss. Most of the time they are going to DCA into those ones and they will eventually sell at profit. Okay, even the ones that are in profit, for most times I don't recommend copying the one that is in massive profit. Maybe you got in very late, you have to do some other checkings. Now you could check the particular token that is in profit, the particular set of coins that they're holding that's in profit. You could check the one that is in loss, and then you can check their most recent buy. Now remember, you can also copy the address and track the address on Axiom. Remember Axiom? I would link the video in this description on how to track wallet on Axiom. With that, now whenever a trade is taken by such wallet as this, you are able to enter the same trade as them and then make the same profit. Whenever they sell, you sell as well and make the same profit and be profitable as they are, just like you are seeing on this screen right here. You may not get exactly, but definitely you're going to be as profitable as they are. So sometimes you might literally close some position before them if you are satisfied with the profit that you've gotten already. So now with that said, now you can see how much profitable this Centered has been for the past month. In fact, there is no month here since this year that this person has had any loss. They are always profitable. Like, this is not just luck, this is more than luck. So now let's look at, if you click on the tokens board right there, now you're going to see these tokens select legitimate tokens that most of these people are actually buying, legitimate tokens, and these tokens you select them under micro cap, under 100k cap, that small cap, and then 100k plus cap, and then 1 million cap. With this, now you can decide to buy anyone you like or see who's buying this particular token. So if one of those people that you follow are actually buying the token, you could buy as well, just like you're seeing there. You could literally see the profile of the person that is buying it. Only with this, now you can find out who is an insider or not. So if you are still stuck with Dex Screener, research system, and all of that, please, you need to move on and come over to this side. Remember, follow me on X. I'm going to drop the link on my X account, so I'm going to link the particular X post right here. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Subscribe to this channel right now.